Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We have shared this company on this channel before, but they are hiring again, so I wanted to make sure that I shared because this is a non-phone working tickets position. Before we dive on in, just know that the links to everything I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video, so you can read reviews on the company or get that application in. Just a little reminder, I don't work for any of these companies, so I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Class Dojo. Now, Class Dojo runs a K-12 education app. I've personally used it before with my children's school. They only have 22 reviews on Glassdor, but out of those reviews from past and current employees, they do come very highly rated at a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a privacy support specialist. Now, they do have a San Francisco office you can work out of. Otherwise, this is remote for the United States. But Class Dojo's goal is to accelerate humanity's progress by giving every child on earth an education that they love. So they do work with schools and education divisions, but they are looking for somebody to, again, work the tickets. You'll accurately respond to escalated customer support tickets in a timely fashion. You'll identify and document product and process improvements that you're observing from different customer interactions. You'll help enhance the documentation and training materials for their privacy and safety customer support protocols. And you'll work internally with the legal, trust and safety, and product teams to respond to highly sensitive issues. So this is Class Dojo is like an app that parents can download on their phone, and it's a communication between the teachers, the students, and the parents, where teachers can say, these are the assignments that we gave out in class today, here's pictures from our field trip, different things like that. So it is almost like a social media type communication channel. So you'll be helping making sure that everyone can use the app and that it is safe and private. Now, they are not requiring any college degree. They do want somebody who has 3 years or more experience working with escalated customer service requests, specifically with ticketing softwares such as Zendesk. Someone who is comfortable handling sensitive communication matter. And again, you have to have great communication skills and comfortable managing your own schedule for follow through or follow up on issues as needed. Now, unfortunately for this position, pay was not listed in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. And if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful to you, let me know down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.